Hello, this is question 3 on your mix exercise 3 from year 12. You have these simultaneous equations. One is linear, one is quadratic, and we had to show this happens, yeah? And this is a quadratic in y. So what we are going to do when we have a linear and a quadratic is to substitute the linear into the quadratic. In this case, we want an equation in y, which means we are going to eliminate the x. So from here, so from the first one, we are going to make x the subject. So this is the first equation. Second equation, we are going to make x the subject in the first one. So from here I have that x is 1 plus 2y, and we are going to substitute in the other one. So instead of x, I'm going to write that expression 1 plus 2y minus y squared equals 8. I'm going to expand the brackets and reorganize until I have that quadratic that I need. So expanding brackets, I have 3 times 1 times y. So I'm going to multiply. If you want, you can even think that this is 3y instead of 3. 3y times 1 is 3y. 3 times 2y times y is 6y squared. So plus 6y squared minus y squared equals 8. And reorganizing, I have 5y squared plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Yeah, so these two together is 5y squared, 3y, and minus 8. And that's the first part. Then hence, so using this, find the pairs xy for which the simultaneous equations are satisfied. So we are going to solve this quadratic in y, and when we have y, we are going to find x, for example here. Yeah. So I have 5y squared plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. We can use the quadratic formula, or we can try to factorize. So we need two numbers that multiply together are the product of these two, which is minus 40, and added together is 3. It's 5 minus 8. No, 8, positive 8 and minus 5. So positive 8 and minus 5. Yeah, so we are going to substitute this bit here, the 3y, by 5 minus 5y plus 8. So we have 5y squared minus 5y plus 8y minus 8. And then I'm going to factorize the first two terms and the second two terms. The first one is 5y minus 1. And the other one is 8y minus 1 equal to 0. These two are common, so I can write this one and this one. So 5y plus 8 multiplying the common factor. And that gives me the solutions for y. So y is going to be minus 8 fifths with the first bracket equal to 0, and y is going to be 1. I need to find x, yeah, because they ask me the pairs. So x when y, so x is 1 plus 2y, plus 2y, yeah. So when y is minus 8 fifths, I have that x is going to be 1 plus 2 times minus 8 fifths. And this is minus 11 fifths, no? Minus 11 fifths. And then this one, when x is 1, I have 1 plus 2 times 1, which is 3. So the pairs are going to be 3 together with 1 and minus 11 fifths together with minus 8 fifths. Yeah, they asked me to get the pairs this way, so I'm going to answer that way. So these are the two pairs. Yeah, and that's all with this question.